We must continue describing nationalities. Lesson 3 of 4. Which one of these is Italy? 意大利. 意大利.
意大利
意大利. That sounds weird to me.
美国、意大利。
美国、意大利. So America, 意大利. All right.
Hi.
Hi. Is that how you say hi?
Hi.
No, why is that even a thing? What happened to ni hao? Hi. Is that really there's a Chinese character for that?
嗨，我是中国人。
Hi. Make sure you get the tones right. 我是美国人。
美国人。
Hi, I am American. Go. Uninstall. Uninstall. How did it?
嗨，我是中国人。
Why did my brain say American? Ah, I'm losing all my hearts.
意大利。
Italy. No, I'm furious. 意大利. I don't want to do this anymore.
意大利人。
意大利人, Italian. Italian 人. 意大利人。
意大利人。
Okay, I'm happy again. I only have to
Hi,
confuse.
我是意大利人。
I don't like that character. Hi, 我是意大利人. Hi, I am Italian. 意大利人 double checked. Nice job.
我是英国人。你呢？
我是英国人，你呢？ So I am the UK. Wait a second. I'm UK. No, I'm British. 我是英国人，你呢？ And you? Holy cow, my brain. This is getting real? How can it be getting real this early?
我是美国人，你呢？
Okay. Deep breaths. So what?
我是美国人，你呢？
Well, you better have a sip of tea there, lady. 我是 What did she say?
我是美国人，
美国人。
美
I'm
国
scared now.
人。
And she said, 你呢？
你呢？我是美国人，你呢？
我是美国人，你呢？ I am American, and you? Oh yeah.
我是意大利人，你呢？
我是意大利人，你呢？ So I'm Italian. No, I am British. Gosh, brain, stop it. I am British, and you? 我是意大利人，你呢？ Oh, you know what? I think it's late in the day. I think we should just stop this. Wait, do I have one more life? I got one more life. All right. Calm down, man. Man up! Let's do this. Hot. 热.
热
Porridge. 粥.
粥
Coffee. Coffee.
咖啡。
茶.
茶
意大利人. Why is this so
意大
painful?
利、英国。
意大利, 英国. So Italy, 英国, the UK? The UK? Oh, I hate this. I feel like I'm tiptoeing on eggshells, man.
Hi, 我是美国人。
Hi. Hey, he used the wrong tone, man.
Hi, 我是美国人。
It's supposed to be hi, not hi. 我是美国人. Hi, I am American. Hi. I am angry. I am American. All right.
我是中国人。
I
你
better
呢？
finish this lesson, man, or I'm gonna be.
我是中国人。你呢？
我是中国人，你呢? So I am Chinese, and you? 你呢? 我是中国人，你呢? Yeah, get out of here, man. Slap.
嗨，我是中国人。
Hi. She used the right tone, right?
嗨，我是中国人。
Hi, 我是中国人。
Hi.
Hi.
我是
中国人。
中国人。
She's a Chinese lady.
我是意大利人， 你呢？
我是意大利人，你呢？ This is one I got wrong, right? So I am an Italian, not an American. 我是意大利人，你呢？ And you? Oh man, I got it right. Check it, check it, check it. Oh, do I be brave enough to go to the next lesson?
The countdown has begun.
Countdown to what? I'm ranked number 3. Keep it up and stay top of 3. I want number 1. I'm yelling in my house. Sorry, neighbors. I only got 1 life left. This is the last one to describe the nationalities. Let's recap it. Bring it, man. Review. Go!
我是意大利人，你呢？
Trying to brainwash me? 我是意大利人，你呢? So, I am Italian. And you? Double check my work.
嗨，我是中国人。
Hi, 我是中国人. Hi,
Hi.
I am Chinese.
我是
中国人.
中国人。
Hi, 我是中国人. 中国人. 中国. I can't believe that 国, right? 意大利人, Italian.
意大利人。
意大利人. I'm losing my voice.
美国和中国。
美国和中国. So America and 中国 is China. Hi. Okay, 你好.
你好，
That's the one I know. This hi stuff is kind of weird.
中国、美国、
中国, 美国. So China, America. All right, I can take it.
我是中国人，你呢？
我是She said 中国人, right?
中国
人
人，
你呢？
你呢？我是中国人，你呢？
我是中国人，你呢？My bubble tea is attacking me.
英国人和中国人。
英国人和中国人, so British and Chinese. I thought I was going to get it wrong for some
嗨，
reason.
我是美国人。
Hi, 我是美国人。
嗨，
我是美国人. Why did she say it wrong?
嗨，我是美国人。
美国人, okay.
我是美国人。
Get it?
嗨
Hi.
嗨，
I want to delete that one, man. Perfect. All right, man. I think I'm going to sleep after this. Oh, man. 15 less. Oh, fine. I got to do another. Oh, I'll be back in the next one then.